Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing fish fry recipe. This is not like any simple fish fry recipe. I'm going to show you how to make it with infused oil method. I know it sounds a little bit complicated, but trust me, it's super simple to make and it tastes absolutely delicious. So let's get started. The first step is to prepare a marination for the fish. I have taken 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of fenugreek powder, one tablespoon of rice flour. The rice flour helps the marination to stick to the fish and gives a crispy texture. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, few curry leaves, one teaspoon of pepper powder, salt to taste, oil 1 tablespoon. Grind all these items in a mixie grinder to make a smooth paste. I have taken half kg of fish. You can use any fish of your choice. Marinate the fish thoroughly. Make sure to coat all the sides of the fish properly. Repeat the process till you have thoroughly marinated all the fish pieces with an even coat of the marination. I have finished the marination. All the fish slices are evenly coated. Leave it aside for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Allowing the fish to rest in the marination will ensure that all the spices seep inside the fish very well. Now we have finished the first step. The second step is to prepare a coarse mixture for frying the fish. To prepare the coarse mixture, I have taken few coriander leaves, few curry leaves, 8 to 9 cloves of garlic, 8 to 9 shallots or small onions. I have taken 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, which I have crushed to make a coarse powder. I have put all these ingredients in a food processor and pulsed it to get a coarse mixture. You can use a grinder as well, but make sure it's not in a paste form. This mixture will not only infuse the oil with a lovely flavor, but also ensure to enhance the taste of the fish while frying. The fish has been marinating for 30 minutes. Now we move on to the final step, that is frying the fish. I have taken a white base pan. I'm using coconut oil for frying the fish. I have taken enough oil to shallow fry the fish. Using coconut oil helps to enhance the flavor and gives a unique taste to the fish. When the oil is slightly warm, add the coarse mixture. Ensure the oil is not too hot. The idea is to slowly allow the ingredients to mix with the oil and slowly infuse the flavors into the oil. Spread the coarse mixture evenly in the pan. Place the marinated fish one by one. Try not to cramp the fish into the pan, allow enough space in between the fish pieces. Use a small spoon and gently pour the infused oil as well as the coarse mixture on the fish pieces so that the ingredients stick to the fish pieces as it cooks. It's time to turn the fish to the other side. Use another spatula or a spoon to support the fish so that the fish does not break into pieces as you flip it to the other side. Reduce the heat to a low medium and allow the fish to continue to cook. Repeat the process of pouring the infused oil and the coarse mixture onto the fish pieces to evenly distribute the infused flavor on the fish. Slowly turn the fish to the other side to make sure that the fish is cooked evenly on both sides. The fish is cooked well and is almost done. Give it a last turn to ensure both sides of the fish are fried evenly. Carefully remove the fried fish from the pan. And there you go. Fried fish in infused oil is ready. Serve the fried fish with steamed rice or pulao rice. Do try to make this recipe. You will be amazed what a big difference it makes when you infuse the oil and fry the fish with this beautiful marination. The combination is absolutely amazing. The satisfaction to see your loved ones enjoy this recipe is beyond words. Enjoy cooking! Stay tuned for more amazing recipes and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with yet another delicious recipe. Bye for now.